Clark Reliance is an integrated supplier of highly engineered and custom specified liquid level and filtration equipment products. We're based here in Strongsville, Ohio, and we have additional locations in San Antonio, Texas, and just outside of Toronto, Ontario, as well as our newest location, which is in Sparta, New Jersey.
I was interviewing a lot of people, and we noticed that even when we get people in that had experience, they didn't have experience in what we did. So we started a student program, and Polaris would find the kids with the raw talent and the soft skills, and we would make them into an employee that worked for us. So.
We've had a long relationship with Polaris over the years, and shortly after my arrival and coming out of COVID, our company was growing quite substantially, and we realized that, to really keep our growth rolling here, we needed to kind of double down on our relationship with Polaris to bring in high quality students who are ready to learn on day one and contribute to the Clark Reliance team.
Partnerships like the one with Clark Reliance are very important to the community because we're taking students and we're connecting them with local industry.
I get them when they're timid, they don't know anything about welding, and then they're qualified, certified, and then they get to Clark Reliance and more mature, more motivated, just overall great experience.
I went to Polaris Career Center where I learned the trade of welding and all your basics. And then over the summer in between my junior and senior year of high school, I came to Clark Reliance for a summer internship. And then we went back to school for a little bit, and then I returned here to continue my internship till the end of the school year, and then I was hired on here at Clark Reliance.
I did a student internship through Polaris. I got sent out in October for 3 days a week, and it got bumped up to 4 days, and then I got hired full-time here during the summer. At first it was kind of stressful and scary in a sense. You go to school, expectations are pretty high, then you actually get your opportunity to go out, and it feels really good at the end.
Internships for our students, it's taking what they're learning in class, it's giving them the opportunity to go and apply that in the real world setting. So education and business, to me, need to be hand in hand, working together. We know how to teach students, and industry knows what experiences they need. So it's a combination of working together to not only train them in our building, but also train them out in the real world, giving them the experiences that they're going to need to be successful for a career.
We start off with safety. We do machine operation, and then from there we start stick welding. We do some basic welding joints and stick welding, and then move on to MIG welding, do the basic joint configurations to advanced configurations, and then get qualified for that as well.
Polaris gave me a very good foundation to help me build on those skills to become a better welder and work in the trade.
As we've really started to see the quality of the students that we've been able to get in here, we've realized that we've got plenty of other needs. Most recently, we've started up a machining program as well as our maintenance program, and we're in early discussions about expanding that even into our application engineering areas.
First machinist here at Clark Reliance, which is definitely different because you kind of had to see how everyone adapted to how they were going to teach me. I basically got to see every little working bit of the shop and really find out where I fit in.
The kids have been great. They really have a willingness to learn, and I have a good team of people that help me out.
So I was with a company that offered me more money, but I decided to stick with Clark Reliance because I saw a big opportunity for growth, and I can go from a machinist on the floor to maybe a coder to maybe even an engineer one day.
Just thankful for the opportunity, to Martinez for hooking me up with this internship, and all my team for getting me ready for this.
I've already acquired different skills through my internship, and I continue to grow skills as a welder and become better every day.
The future is bright for the company, bright for our associates. And when you come in to join Clark Reliance, we're committed to lifelong learning here. I take pride in the fact that we're able to help our associates continue to grow their capabilities and grow their own careers as well as the value to the company.